Good morning, investors. This is Swapnil Shah. Market saw a sharp move yesterday with Nifty gaining more than 150 points. That was yesterday. Mainly the rally was led by auto sector. We saw sharp covering in Hero Moto, Maruti, Bajaj Auto, etc. This is after their numbers were not as bad as well market expected. So in line with past underperformance of 3 months, the stock has slightly regained their momentum. We don't expect the rally to continue in a very full-fledged manner. There will be maybe some more gain upside left in auto sector, but don't jump in to buy these stocks aggressively at these levels. Yesterday, FANG stocks, that is Facebook, Alphabet, Google, Amazon, they were sharply down as there is a new antitrust violations which the US is checking them. So in total they lost $130 billion yesterday. So the US markets was sharply down yesterday. We will see some downside in the opening also in Indian markets. But I don't think, I think this opening should be bought into. I think Nifty would continue its momentum, expecting to reach 12,250, 12,400 in coming 2 to 3 weeks. As highlighted last week many times, IndusInd Bank has started its up move. I think still there is some juice left around till it can reach till 1750 in coming 7 to 10 days. Thank you.
Good morning, investors. This is Hansraj Modi. Indexes surpassed the immediate resistance of 12,040, which we discussed earlier, and above this level we are expecting a move towards 12,170, 12,250 levels. So the view remains positive till we are sustaining about 12,040, 11,950. We have seen good participation across sectors, even yesterday also. So the breadth was not very positive, but it was in the both the advance and declines were same. We are keenly watching the breadth of the market because of the participation which we didn't had earlier. So overall, on a relative basis, the breadth is good. Talking about yesterday's participation, as Swapnil rightly said, auto stocks were the main which were in focus, and as we have highlighted that auto stock for the past 1.5 years, auto sector has seen sharp decline, and there can be some mean reversion. By mean reversion, I mean to say that they can be back to their averages. They are trading below their averages, so they can inch up towards their averages. So talking about the stocks from the sector which we liked, we highlighted already Hero Moto Corp around 2,500 levels, and we were expecting a target of 3,000, 3,100. So we continue to maintain the same. Another stock which seems to be in the bottoming process is M&M, Mahindra. The stock has closed around 650 levels. We are expecting a target of 730 or so from the same. So that is another stock which can be accumulated. As Swapnil rightly said that we should not expect very high returns from auto sector because of the ongoing problem, but yes, definitely we can, from trading point of view, we can looking onto the levels, we can have some good move in the sector in coming weeks. Talking about another asset class which we were focusing and we mentioned earlier was USD INR. The currency has closed below its important support of 69.30 yesterday. It has closed around 69.10. We are expecting appreciation towards 68.80 and 67.50. So this resistance comes at 69.80 and 70.30. USD INR, after the election results, it has behaved sideways and now seems to have closed below its immediate support level. So that would be another asset class which would be we would be focusing on, and it can have good impact on Indian markets. That's it from stocks perspective. For all the research reports, views and updates, do subscribe to our Facebook page, and for all the reports you can log on to bpwell.com and do share this video. Thank you.